Personalized videos, they're one of the best types of videos to make in 2022 and beyond. I know, it kind of sounded like Buzz Lightyear. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite personalized video so that way you give your customers an amazing experience and you get an added bonus of a decreased refund rate. My favorite type of personalized video is the welcome video. So let's jump in how to make a personalized welcome video so that way you have super happy customers. So first up, what is a personalized video? Well, in this case, it's a personal message that you send to your new customer that welcomes them into your new program or just simply as a new customer. So it's a one-to-one video. You're literally greeting them by their first name and making them a personalized video. It's one of the most special types of videos you can ever send to your customer. It's telling them like, holy cow, she just spent this time to send this personal video to me. And what's cool is that when they're used to seeing you on video already, it makes it even that much more special because all the other videos they've seen from you are, like this type of video where it's on YouTube and it's, like something that you're creating which is super valuable, but it's not a personalized video that actually has their name in it, if you know what I mean. Okay, next up, why should you make personalized welcome videos? So imagine you are throwing a party. And when your friend rings your doorbell, you answer the door and you greet them by their name, maybe you give them a hug, and then you show them around. You tell them where the appetizers are, where the drinks are, where they could put their handbag, and you welcome them into your home, right? So that's essentially what you're doing with a personalized welcome video. And the other great reason too is that you're cutting through the noise, you're standing out, because 99.9% of all videos are not personalized videos. And yes, I totally just made that statistic up, but I bet I'm right, because how many personalized videos have you gotten? If you are one of my customers, you definitely have gotten at least one. And so again, this is such a unique way to give your customers such an amazing experience. And an added bonus to all of this is that you actually decrease your refund rate. Here's a little story. Back in first grade, yes, when I was like 6 or 7 years old, my twin sister and I had a crush on this boy. Which, by the way, that's like danger zone for twins when you have a crush on the same boy. So one day, we're lining up to enter our classroom in the morning. I see Ricky walk up to me. That's his name. That was a boy that we had a crush on. And he had this red lollipop that was like, it was like this big. It was a big size lollipop. And on the red lollipop, it said, "I love you" on it. And he gave it to me. And I was like, whoa. I mean, I didn't say this. I think I played it cool or something, like as cool as a 6-year-old could be. But inside, I was like, oh my goodness, Ricky has a crush on me too. I was just beaming, right? Just, oh my word, sat down at my desk with pride. A part of me felt bad though that my sister didn't get one. It's a twin thing. You still feel bad. Anyways, so I'm just so happy. Then I hear Ricky whisper my name from across the classroom. And I was like, oh my word, the boy who has a crush on me too is whispering my name. So I look over and then he continues to whisper, "I meant to give it to your sister. Give it to your sister." Yes, I went from feeling like I was on top of the world to literally being crushed all in like a second. My 6-year-old self didn't give it to my sister. What? I look back now, I'm like, why didn't I give it to my sister? But you know what? Maybe it's because I thought, if I don't give it to my sister, he'll give her one tomorrow and then we each get one. And you know what? That's exactly what happened. The next day, he gave one to my twin sister, which apparently was the right person he had a crush on. and we both won. We each got a lollipop. The joys of being twins. But anyways, the moral of the story is it has nothing to do with twins necessarily, but when you make these types of videos, you won't have little Rickies asking for their money back. At least rarely does it happen. Okay, so let me know in the comments below, have you ever made a personalized video? I'd love to know. By the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner, showing you how to make amazing videos so your business makes more money. If you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Alrighty, let's continue on. Let's talk about when you should film your personalized welcome video. Honestly, the sooner the better. And so when they check their email and they see that notification that you sent them a personalized video, that just makes it even more special. So as soon as you can is the best. And I'll be honest, sometimes it takes a bit for me to get to it. But do it as soon as you can. And next up, where should you film your personalized welcome video? Short answer, wherever you're at. That's actually where I get the best feedback. Like when I'm at the pool, like while my boys are at swim team, or maybe we're camping and I have cell phone service. Maybe it's while I'm parked waiting for my kids to get out of school. Or maybe it's while my youngest and I are waiting for my older one to get to school, so then Mason's in the videos too. Regardless, wherever you're at is where you get the best engagement. You basically show a behind the scenes look of your life. And people love that. So rather than just always business to customer or like your office, I know, like come to think of it, I should film my YouTube videos outside of my office, huh? I should do that. And as far as how you should make your personalized welcome video, the first thing you want to do is greet them by their first name and then welcome them into your program or welcome them as a new customer. And then also share any useful info or announcements that'll be helpful for them to know, as well as how this program or product will be beneficial to them. And then end it with simply letting them know how they can reach out to you if they have any questions. And my favorite app by far when it comes to making these videos is Bonjoro. So Bonjoro automatically puts their info in the app. So all you have to do is push that record button, then send when you're done, and it automatically will send it to them with a message and the video. Plus, I have a button below the video that takes them automatically to the login page to the course. And so it's just super efficient for everyone, for me and for them. They're able to bam, log into the course right then and there too. Another great feature is that they can comment and send you a message. So a lot of times my new customers will just tell me like, OMG, thank you so much. That was so cool. Or even if they have like a question, they can ask me a question right then and there. And so it's so great. The nice thing about Bonjoro is you can send up to 50 videos a month for free, which is amazing. So if you want to learn more, go ahead and click the link below this video. There you go, personalized videos, so that way you can have super happy customers. And if you want to learn how to film yourself so you look better on video than in real life, no joke, then get my free training video. The link is below. You'll be surprised how easy it is to do this. Alrighty, if this video is helpful, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments below, are you gonna start sending personalized videos? I'd love to know. Alrighty, I'll see you later.